Welcome back to our kitchen. How are you today? I hope you're all doing great and feeling excited. Today, I have a fresh, delicious, and super healthy recipe for you. Watermelon grape juice. Who here loves watermelon? And who loves grapes? What if we mix these two fruits into one super refreshing juice? The natural sweetness of watermelon combined with the slightly tangy taste of grapes will definitely be addictive. Oh, and I'll also be sharing tips on how to pick the sweetest watermelon and grapes, as well as how to store the juice so it stays fresh longer. So don't skip the video. All right, let's get started. Step 1, ingredients preparation. Ingredients: 200 grams red or black grapes. You can also use green grapes depending on your preference. Half medium-sized watermelon, preferably seedless. 200 milliliters cold water or coconut water for extra freshness. 1 to 2 tablespoons honey or sugar, optional for extra sweetness. Juice of 1/2 lime or lemon, optional for added freshness. Some ice cubes, optional to make it colder. Tools: you'll need 1 knife and cutting board, 1 blender, 1 serving glass, 1 strainer, optional for a smoother texture. These ingredients are super easy to find, right? Watermelon is already naturally sweet, so you actually don't need extra sugar. But if you like it sweeter, feel free to add honey or sugar. Oh, and for the grapes, I'm using red grapes because they are sweeter and give the juice a beautiful color. But if you prefer a tangier taste, you can use green grapes. Once all the ingredients are ready, let's move on to the next step. Step 2, choosing and preparing the fruits. Before we start making the juice, I want to share some tips on picking the sweetest and juiciest watermelon and grapes. Tips for choosing fresh grapes. Pick grapes that are still firmly attached to the stem. If they fall off easily, they're not fresh. Choose grapes with a deep, even color. Ripe red or black grapes should have a rich, uniform hue. Avoid grapes that are too soft or wrinkled. That's a sign they're starting to spoil. Wash the grapes under running water. Remove the stems and cut them in half for a smoother blend. For example, like this. Tips for choosing. Sweet watermelon. Check the bottom. Choose a watermelon with a yellow spot. This means it ripened naturally on the vine. Tap the watermelon. A ripe one will have a deep, hollow sound. Pick a heavy one. The heavier the watermelon compared to its size, the juicier it is. Wash the watermelon thoroughly. Cut it into small cubes and remove any seeds if necessary. For example, like this. While we prepare the fruits, let me share some amazing health benefits of watermelon and grapes. Health benefits of watermelon and grapes. Watermelon benefits: hydrates the body as it's made of 92% water. Rich in antioxidants, great for skin health. Good for heart health. Low in fat and cholesterol. Helps muscle recovery after exercise. Grape benefits: high in vitamin C and K, boosting the immune system. Contains resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant for heart health. Helps improve blood circulation and reduce stroke risk. Supports eye health with lutein and zeaxanthin. All right, if our watermelon and grapes are ready, let's move on to the next step. Blending. Step 3, blending all ingredients. 1, add the watermelon cubes into the blender. 2, add red or black grapes. 3, pour in cold water or coconut water for extra freshness. 4, if you like it sweeter, add honey or sugar to taste. 5, squeeze in some lime or lemon juice for a refreshing twist. 6, add ice cubes to make the juice extra cold and delicious. As I mentioned earlier, honey or sugar, lime or lemon, and ice cubes are all optional. Adjust according to your preference. Now, let's blend everything until smooth and well mixed. While we wait for the blender to work, let me share some fun facts about watermelon and grapes. Fun facts about watermelon. 1. Ancient origins. Watermelon originated from Africa and has been cultivated for over 5,000 years. It was once used as a water source by travelers in the desert. 2. 90% water content. Watermelon consists of more than 90% water, making it super refreshing and hydrating. 3. Watermelon's family. It belongs to the Cucurbitaceae family, the same as cucumbers, pumpkins, and melons. 4. Not always red. Some watermelons have yellow flesh, known as yellow crimson, which is even sweeter than the red variety. 5. Edible from flesh to rind. The entire watermelon is edible. In some countries, the rind is pickled or cooked as a vegetable. 6. Post-workout recovery. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that helps reduce muscle soreness after exercise. 7. Record-breaking size. The world's largest watermelon weighed over 159 kilograms, 350 pounds. 8. Versatile in recipes. Besides juice, watermelon can be made into ice cream, sorbet, fruit salad, or even watermelon pizza. 9. A symbol of good luck. In Japan and China, watermelon is seen as a symbol of good luck and prosperity, nutrient-rich but low-calorie. Despite its sweetness, watermelon is low in calories and packed with vitamin A, C, and lycopene for heart and skin health. Fun facts about grapes. One of the oldest fruits. Grapes have been cultivated for over 8,000 years, especially in the Middle East and Europe. 2. Multiple uses. They can be eaten fresh, dried into raisins, or fermented into wine and vinegar. 3. Comes in many colors. There are over 8,000 grape varieties, ranging from green and red to deep purple and black. 4. No need to peel. The grape skin is rich in antioxidants, especially resveratrol, which is great for heart health and anti-aging. 5. Natural energy source. Grapes contain natural glucose, making them a quick energy boost for athletes. 6. Small but mighty. Packed with vitamin C, K, fiber, and brain-boosting flavonoids. 7. Helps you sleep better. Grapes contain natural melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. 8. Not all grapes make wine. Only specific grape varieties are suitable for winemaking. 9. Vineyards can live for centuries. Some European vineyards have grapevines over 100 years old, used in traditional medicine. In Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine, grapes are believed to boost blood health and immunity. Step 4. Straining and serving. Strain the juice for a smoother texture. Optional. Pour into a serving glass. Add ice cubes if you like it extra cold. Garnish with mint leaves or grape slices for a beautiful presentation. Look at that color. This juice is naturally vibrant, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. If you prefer juice with fiber, just pour it directly. But if you want it smoother, go ahead and strain it first. Final step. Closing. Yay, our watermelon grape juice is ready. A refreshing, healthy drink that's super easy to make. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support more fresh recipes. If you try this at home, comment below. Feel free to experiment by adding strawberries or apples for a unique twist. See you in the next video. Enjoy your refreshing, healthy juice.